Rainforest. Oh man. Oh, it's a rainforest inside here. They made a forest outside inside. Look, how much is the... Nice. You can have a drink here. But since Raffay is there, I don't want to drink. Oh, pretty nice place. People are eating. The waiting is 2 hours, so we can do it. Yeah. How much is the waiting here now?
How long is the wait? If you go up to the purple elephant up front, they'll be able to tell you.
You're scared. It's like 2 hours. You're scared. Thank you. They're going up also.
But yes, something different, isn't it?
Yeah. Huh? What? Oh, gorillas. Yeah. It's a gorilla here.
Gorilla dekha ji?
Yeah. Yeah. So, long wait. Otherwise, we could come and eat here. There's a big elephant there. That's why it's called rainforest. Mind your step. Pretty nice. Nice place to eat. There's been a lot of falls and these are just not real fish, I know. I think so, they're real, I don't know. They couldn't be real. I don't know. Could be they're real. Who knows? Okay, let's go, man. Let's go. We're gonna come some other time when the kid is getting bored, you know. He wants to go to Disney, man. Not here. He's not interested. So, हाँ मुझे पता है $30 की प्लेट है $40 की कितना तो खा लेते हैं बैठ के क्या है
आप देखें ना
वेटिंग जो है बहुत कितनी वेटिंग है
वेट 2 आवर्स है
2 आवर्स है कैसे पता लिखा हुआ है अभी